guys. So one of the things we get asked a fair bit is how to do a review for businesses. Lots of folks have opinions about that, whether they have a good experience or a bad experience. Doesn't really seem to matter. They want to share that anyway. So very quickly, we're going to go over how to do that in Google specifically. You want to start with a new tab and search for the business that you want to review. In this case, we're going to use our Kyron Tech as an example. You can see it's already pre-populated there. But what's nice is that when you bring that search button up, you get a nice little summary of the business over on the right-hand side of the screen from Google. It's easy enough to find from here. You just go to Google Review right in the middle, write a review, click your 5 stars, and type some comments. Click post. We're not going to do it because this is a live review, but that's it. That's all there is to it. If you have other questions, just let us know.